Welcome back to Blacknote Music Center. This is lesson 16. Today we are going to unlock one of the most powerful secrets in music: how to play in any key using a simple pattern. No memorizing 12 scales, no confusion, just one system: tones and semitones. What is a semitone? A semitone is the smallest movement on the piano. It means moving to the very next key, whether it is white or black. For example, C to C sharp is semitone. E to F is semitone. No black key in between. So anytime you move to the next key immediately, that is a semitone. C to C sharp, that is semitone. E to F, that is semitone. It means moving to the very next key. So it doesn't matter whether it is white or black. So what is a tone? A tone is two semitones. Remember, semitone is the key next, immediate next to the other. So a tone is two semitones, which means you skip one. Okay, you skip one key and land on the next. You skip one key and land on the next. You skip and land. You skip next key. You skip, land on the next key. Okay. Examples would be from C to D. That is tone. From F to G. That is tone. So semitone is one step. White tone is two step. And so on. So the magic formula, let me give you the magic formula. Here is the secret that unlocks all keys. The major scale formula is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Which means two tones, semitone, three tones, semitone. Okay, tone, tone, don't forget, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Two tones, semitone, three tones, semitone. So we can say 2T, 1S, 3T, 1S. This pattern works in every key. So let's apply it in the key of C. This is our C. Okay. To play your C major chord, C major scale, C, Then from C to D, this is Makiri. C. Sorry. Tamila, it's fine. So from C to D is tone. D to E is tone. And E to F is semitone. F to G is tone. G to A, tone. A to B, tone. And Y, B to C is semitone, like we discussed. Two tones, semitone, three tones, then semitone. So our one is C, our two is D. Okay, our three is E, tone. Our four is semitone. Our five is G, tone. Our six is A, tone. Our seven is B, tone. Okay, and our back to C. So between C and C is semitone, and 3 to 4 E to F. So this work in any key. Your 3 and 4, they are always semitone. 7, okay, between your 7 to 1 or 7, 8, your 8 is same as 1, is semitone. So we have only 2 semitone, which is 3, 4, then 7, 8 or 7, 1. So we just played the C major scale. So let's move to another key, which is G. So we start on G. So G now becomes our 1. Let's follow the same pattern. T, T, S, T, 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 S. Okay. So G to A is a tone. Which is our 2. A to where? Can you guess? To B. To B tone. This is our 3. Then 3 to 4, what do we have? We have semitone. Remember I said we have 2 semitones. 3 and 4. Then 7 and 8 or 7 and 1. So the rest are semitones. Okay. So our B is number 3, which is tone. Then B to C, which is semitone. This is our 4. Then our 5, what do we have? D. Our 6, who can guess? E. Then our 7, you can guess, F sharp. Then our 7 to 1 or 8 back to G, what do we have? We can guess tone or semitone. That's semitone. So now you have your G major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, notice the F sharp. I want you to notice F sharp. Okay, that is why this system is powerful. It guides you correctly. So let's try D. This is our D. Let's follow the same pattern. So I'll press, you guess. Okay, let's try together. This is our 1. So our 2 will be what? E. Our 3 will be what? Remember, we have 2 tones, semitone, 3 tones, semitone. So our 3 and 4 semitone, between 3 and 4 semitone, and the second semitone is between 7 and 8, or 7 back to 1. This is our D. This is our first tone, E, which is number 2. Our 3 will be F sharp. 3 and 4, tone or semitone, who can guess? It's G. 4 to 5, tone or semitone, is A. Then our 5 to 6, we can guess the note, is B, tone. Our B, then I want you to guess the 7th note. It's tone, is C sharp. Then lastly, 7 to 8, or 7 back to 1, what do we have? Tone or semitone? Semitone. So if you put everything back together, you have your D major scale, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you didn't guess, you followed the system. So now, yes, where it gets exciting. From the scale, you can build chords. Take the 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, and 5 in key of C. You've been following the tutorial, you know our chords. Okay, C, F, G, which is C, F, G. So in the key of C, we have 1, 4, 5. In the key of G, it will be, G will be your 1, so C will be your 4, and D will be your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 4, this is 5, this is 1. In the key of D, D will be your 1. Can you guess your 4 and 5? Your 1, 4, 5 will be D, G, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our 4, G is our 4, A is our 5, D is our 1. So same pattern, different key. So here is what I want you to do. Before that, let's practice together. Okay, so pick any note and follow the pattern. Don't forget, let's go back to C. Our pattern is T, T, S, T, 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 S, which means our root 1, let's say our root here, T, T, S, T, 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 S, which is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. This is our root, T, T, F, Re, Mi, Fa. Between Mi and Fa, 3 and 4 is semitone on all keys. Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, Do is semitone. Ti, Do, which is 7, 8, or 1. Okay. So I want you, in all keys, I want you to find your 1, 4, 5 chords. Okay, so this is how you start mastering all keys. Okay, so you don't need to memorize every key, you just need to understand the pattern. Once you know this, you can play anywhere on the keyboard. Okay, so and these are the common mistakes for beginners. Avoid guessing notes. Don't guess notes. Avoid forgetting the pattern. You need to know the pattern. Avoid playing too fast. Then lastly, avoid skipping steps. Remember, follow the system slowly. Okay, so all keys, I want you to find your 1, 4, 5 for me and submit your assignment. Comment in the chat, write it, and let me see the winner. Okay, on C, I'll do a sample for you on C, then you can do the rest, figure out the rest on your own. So let's we are in key of C. Our 1, 3, 4 is our 1 chord. 1 chord. So your 1, this is how you find it, very easy. 1, 3, 4. So it means you play 1, you skip 2, you play 3. You skip 4, you play 5. This is 1. So your 4 note, you go to the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play, don't forget the same pattern. You play 1, you skip 2. You skip this one. This is our 4. On G, the same pattern. You play your root, you skip, you play the next one, you skip, you play the next one. So these are 1, 4, 5. I want you to write the note out. Your 1 note, your 4 notes, your 5 notes. Okay, now submit assignment. Okay, the same thing, I'm just changing the version. Whichever way you can write it, whichever way. Okay, so this are your practice. I want you to practice the formula TTS TTTS. So I want you to apply it in C, G, and D. I want you to build. Number 3, the first one is practice the formula. Third one, apply it in C, G, and D. Third one, build 1, 4, 5 chords in each key. I just gave you an example. And lastly, number 4, play slowly and clearly. So practice 10 to 15 minutes daily, and I want you to type scale, the word scale, if you understand the pattern. Which key did you try? I want you to comment below. Did you notice the sharps there in the key? I want you to comment below. So today you learn how to use tones and semitones to play in any key. This is one of the most important systems in music. In the next lesson, I will show you how to transpose any song instantly using this pattern. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join my live lessons every Monday at 7 p.m. South African time. This is Blacknote Music Center, and now we are no longer limited to one key. We can play everywhere. I will see you in the next tutorial. Stay blessed.